Hello everyone! Today I'm going to set up an enclosure for my Theraphosa Apophysis, also known as the Pinkfoot Goliath Birdeater. I will be using Reptisoil and will get the substrate nice and damp because this type of tarantula likes a ton of humidity. She's already 6 inches big, so I'm putting her in a 10 by 10 by 20 glass enclosure, so she'll have plenty of space, and I'm adding some artificial plants for decoration. I'm going to add some moss and mix it into the substrate, which will help retain more moisture in the enclosure. Now I'm going to add 2 inverted watering bulbs, which will keep the lower part of the substrate nice and damp. And I always add a cork bark so they can have a safe place to hide. And this is something new that I'm doing with my enclosures recently. I am adding springtails, which are very useful for keeping the enclosure clean, free of fungus and other weird growth that would attract more pests or mites. I'm also adding sphagnum moss, which will help retain more moisture within the enclosure. Now it's time to transfer her into her new home.